Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to be talking about ways to improve your English. Now, I'm not only going to be talking about how to improve your English while talking or while writing. In today's video, we're going to pick up all aspects of a language. ये वाली tips आपकी हर language जिसमें आपको लगता है कि you're falling back या आप weak है, अगर आप ये tips उस language में follow करेंगे, it is going to work equally for English, Hindi, French or any other लैंग्वेज यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव इन दिस वीडियो हम उन टिप्स के बारे में भी बात कर सकते हैं मे बी जिसके बारे में आपको ऑलरेडी आइडिया हो, यू आर फेमिलियर विद दोस, और मे बी सम रियली न्यू एक्साइटिंग टिप्स दैट यू हैव नॉट यूज्ड इट येट. सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड, बिकॉज अगर आप ये सारी टिप्स साथ में फॉलो करेंगे, आई एम 100% श्योर कि योर लैंग्वेज विल इम्प्रूव. At the end of the day, any language जो आपको improve करनी है, you want to hold command over that language, and in order to hold command over any language, practice is really important. I'm going to start with the most basic tip, that is tip number 1. Read. Now, reading, I think everybody knows this tip. Everybody says that read karo, read karo, read karo. The more you read, the more you understand the language, the more you know मुझे क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा, and the more you know किस पे मुझे work करना है. To this tip, I'm going to add an additional tip. अगर आप रीड कर रहे हैं, आई रेकमेंड कि आप ज़ोर ज़ोर से पढ़ें. रीड इट आउट लाउड. से आप एक बुक पढ़े, एक ब्लॉग पढ़े, यू नो, हेयर योर सेल्फ. जितना आप अपने आप को सुनेंगे, आपको ज़्यादा वो रजिस्टर होगा इन योर ब्रेन. सो से यू रीडिंग अ नॉवल, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि मैं तेज़ तेज़ के पढ़ रही हूँ या पढ़ रहा हूँ. दैट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू understand your mistakes or the things you want to improvise, or in general if you want to improve your language, this is going to be really helpful. जो हमारी थर्ड टिप है वो एक्चुअली सिमिलर है फर्स्ट टू टिप्स के, बट इट्स जस्ट पुशिंग वन स्टेप फर्दर, दैट इज रिकॉर्ड व्हाट यू टॉक. Sometimes what happens is we make a mistake and we keep making the same mistake. या फिर हमको लगता है what we are talking or what we are writing is correct, and for us there's no scope of improvement there, and then we wonder what is that we are missing out on. So once you have certain things recorded, you can always go back and listen and recall, is it the correct thing or not. This is going to be really beneficial. This is more like an advanced method, but it really proves to be beneficial because day to day when we having a conversation, there are certain words जो हमारे mind में register हो चुके होते हैं are correct. It's not necessary those are correct. So make sure that you record, you will know exactly, because when you hear yourself talk, you realize, oh shit, that's what I've been saying all that while, and maybe वो सही ना हो, or that's what I've been writing all that while. So again, to improve your writing skills, make sure you write. Maybe just pick up a topic that you're very passionate about, or anything. Maybe you want to just even gossip, just write it down, okay? That is going to also help you improve your language. The more you write, the more you improve, because you know where you're falling back. कभी कभी क्या होता है, we start writing and we don't know where to go next. हमने 1-2 sentences तो बहुत अच्छे से लिख लिए, but third sentence में आके we get stuck, हम अटक जाते हैं. वही होता है एग्जाम पेपर में, when you're supposed to write your writing section, the first para goes so well, and then we just get stuck where to go further. And this is not only for students. Fourth tip that I have is be a part of discussions. The fear कि हमारी language अच्छी नहीं है, we do not become a part of debates or discussions. And you don't have to go all out loud कि you know हमको debate करना है, हमको लड़ाई करनी है. You just have to be a part of discussions, because the more you talk, the more you learn, and the more you hear other people, the more you know where you are not right. अगर आप डिस्कशंस का पार्ट बनते हैं, आप ज़्यादा बोलते हैं, यू प्रैक्टिस द लैंग्वेज मोर, यू हियर अदर पीपल टॉक इन दैट लैंग्वेज, you know where your improvisation should happen. So it's very important to be a part of discussion, and you can be a part of any discussion you are fond of. I'm sure even if it's TV shows, anything you're fond of, just be a part of that discussion. It's really going to help you improve your language. So another tip is, I think I read this tip a few months back and I was very convinced by this, is You know how everybody now is so much on web series, हम इतना ज़्यादा TV या Netflix Prime में involve हो चुके हैं that that's what is taking our time. So why not make the most of it? अपना enjoy वाले time को भी enjoy वाले way में learning में convert कर दो. Always keep the subtitles on. So when you have the subtitles on, you're more attentively reading it because you're also reading it क्योंकि वो screen पे, and also sometimes you're watching a show in a different language and you switch it on to English or whatever language you want to improve. आप जब वो पढ़ोगे, it will register directly in your mind. Go watch TV, watch movies, watch Netflix, just keep the subtitles on. Also because you're reading and listening the same time and more attentively, it is going to be way more beneficial than solely reading or talking is. So while you're following this step, I would also say add this to your day-to-day life because this is really going to help you improve your English. I know so many people जो ना गाने सुन के जिन्होंने English सीखी है. So next time when you're listening to a song and you don't understand a word, don't ignore it, write it down. When you write it down, you're also improving your vocabulary and you're also improving your pronunciation. You're also adding something more to what you already have in your language. Also, there's another and the last tip which I would say, ये वाली tips आप हर language के लिए follow कर सकते. It's not necessary you have to follow it just for English language. I'm saying it again. आप ट्यूशन जाते हो, आप अपनी लैंग्वेज करेक्ट कराते हो. नाउ दैट यू आर होम, you don't have that access every day to get your language corrected. So what I would suggest, when you're talking to your friends, write in the language you feel like you're falling weak in. So if it's English, just type them a message and give them access to correct you. Tell them कि this is the message and tell them, यार क्या मैंने कोई grammar mistake करी, क्या मैंने vocabulary कोई गलत use करी, am I making spelling errors? Whenever you see my messages, please be free to correct me. The more the people will help you improvise and उसको negatively नहीं, उसको positively लो, you will just add so much more to your knowledge bank. It's actually like not having help from one person but having help from so many people around you, and they will offer so much more tips and your horizon will expand massively. So I hope you guys like these tips and you would work on them. Let us know in the comment section below what you guys think, and if you have any more tips, also feel free to put it down in the comment section below because that is going to help everyone around us. And we are also leaving our number now in case you want to study from us or you have query regarding any other subject or any class. Feel free to connect with us, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And we have linked other English language videos in the cards and the end screen. Make sure to watch those as well. Thank you.